Welcome! Let's go over a quick guide on how to use the Phytech mobile app. In the opening screen, choose the area you want to view. The stress level of each block is indicated based off of sensors on the plants. You can see the current or past stress levels. The colors represent 5 levels of water stress ranging from yield-affecting stress to optimal and high water availability. The little drop sign on the map means it is currently being irrigated. When viewing the irrigation history, you'll be able to tell the timing and the amount applied. You will also find site-specific weather forecast. You can view the climate history in the plot card. Based on irrigation, climate, and plant stress history, Phytech learns the specific water needs of each plot. Press on the Planning icon to activate the Irrigation Planning tool. You can plan your irrigation on a weekly or daily basis. For now, let's go for weekly. Toggle the slider to change the irrigation parameters. You'll see it in hours, inches, or the ratio to evapotranspiration. When the slider reaches the optimal amount required to avoid water stress in a plot, it turns from gray to green. This is the Phytech recommendation. You can switch between weekly or daily planning using the arrows. That's it. You're good to go. Don't forget you can also use our desktop app, which contains much more information.